Hello, and welcome to this online course from Microsoft Learning.
At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization to achieve more.
Our edX courses taught by Microsoft experts let you learn cutting-edge technologies through hands-on experience.
Whether you're a student or a seasoned technologist, we can empower you to build innovative applications, services, and experiences.
So what are the requirements for course completion? Well, time.
On average, our courses have 4 modules, which are 2 to 4 hours each.
Watch the videos, including presentations and demonstrations.
Like you would attend a lecture on campus.
Complete course readings or projects and hands-on learning activities.
These are your homework assignments and probably where you will learn most.
Take quizzes to help you prepare for the assessments.
The assessments can only be taken once, and you need a passing grade to successfully complete the course.
Our courses are free, as all learning should be.
For a shareable, verified certificate, there is a fee.
While our courses offer different experiences, all of them share a similar approach.
Please review the About page to find specific information about your course.
For example, some courses release all content immediately,
while others release modules incrementally over time.
Are part of a larger learning program.
They require an Azure or Office 365 subscription.
Many students use a free trial subscription.
Offer opportunities to engage with instructors and peers.
The most common indicators of success among the more than 2 million learners that have experienced our online courses are
dedicating enough time to the course,
demonstrating perseverance,
and participating in the discussion groups.
Welcome to the world of Microsoft technology. Choose a path and make your mark.